for like 2 years. Then I thought, hi man, that's racist of me. Only taking money from black people. So now I get some of that land money, carry money, like I get all of it. But I feel like it's unfair to assume that all white people have land. But like good rough. You know, assuming all white people have got land is like assuming that all Chinese people know Kung Fu. Which is not true. It's only as ngisike bengisiphethe namhlanje. Ngibone wonke umuntu engene ekhuluma isingisi ngathi ngizobathola. Hayi ngikhule kanzima guys. Like I had a rough childhood. No, Osha ingane zakwethu lapha. Yeah. The neighbor will translate. I had a rough childhood. Kwakunzima guys. Like into eyenza kube nzima, I think ubaba wami, he wanted to have like a son. You know, every man wants to have a son ozokhulisa ilegacy yakhe. But kwaba yimini firstborn, and then the secondborn was also a girl. So siyamantombazane siba 2. So amanye amantombazane, you know, they're learning nice things like cooking and all of that. Me, I was fixing my father's cars. Because he had taxis. Yabona ama-fan belt, alternator, ama-brake pads. Ngiyakwazi ukulungisa ama-brake pads me. But lento yangilimaza ukuthi like abafana babenganginotice. Because babengekho sure umfana noma ngiyintombazana. Ney'ncence zami, they took long to come out. So kwaku-tough. So mangimtholile umfana oyedwa ozongishela, like uyakwazi ukuthi motivate umfana ukuthi angayeki ukukushela. Ngiyakhumbula nje the first guy I dated wayenemortuary. Yabo, he owned a mortuary, and then problems started in a relationship. Njalo maye ngibona, he used to ask me how my family was doing. So I felt like my family was not safe in this relationship. Like sometimes he would complain about his business, would say hey, sales are down, and I'm like, sales and man just put out sibling. I broke up with him. Then I dated another one. This one had like, you know, huge lips, like Boma Venda and KZN, a combination of 2. Huge, like. When he kissed me, it sounded something like this. So mina again, because like I speak my mind. It's, hey, I can't breathe. And then the guy says, yeah, I take your breath away. Then I dated another one. Like this one, then when hey, now I'm going with this English, eh? So this one, when he kissed me, you know, cause me, I'm used to, you know, when you're kissing, you go this side. Lorna, he only pushed me to one direction. I was like, way stroking, I broke up with him. So I dated another one. Lona, you know, like you are sitting nicely, cozy, good relationship. Kanti Lona, rapper. Where? I'm telling you, my mixtapes work. Days come by, days go by. they run high like a butterfly. Ngizange. Ngeke kusho ukuthi mina ngizobe ngizolokhu ngilalelana nomculo wakho ongasile. I broke up with him. And then I dated another one. No, ngiyadlala, but this one now was my husband. Ubafu. But khona into engingayithandi about abantu besilisa. You know, abantu besilisa, they always complain about us. Ukuthi yes, we like makeup, our boobs are sagging, wara. Nama-weave, nami nginayo-weave. But thina yazi ukuthi we never complain about you guys. Ukuthi uMzansi Magic wenu ukuthi ama-gigabytes ahamba. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, that's my time. Yeah.